Eliza Skirch, and I'm the search manager for PEI Ground Search and Rescue. And we're a search and rescue organization that covers the entire province of PEI. We're looking at how do we modernize and use modern tools and technology to help us search better. Smartphones, geolocation, tracking, all of those things. And the search problem is essentially how do we find people who are lost. Today, we're doing a scenario where we have a woman who's about 75 years old, who's missing, and she has dementia. And so we're using, whether it's field maps, whether it's Tracker for ArcGIS or ArcGIS Online, bringing all of those tools together to really help us have better information so that we can make better decisions and find our subjects more quickly. To help solve our search problem, we primarily use three Esri applications. We use field maps, we use Tracker for ArcGIS, and ArcGIS Online. ArcGIS Online is essentially our base map. It provides the imagery, it helps us understand the features that are out there, and that helps us make better planning decisions. We know from the statistics that subjects with dementia tend to go until they get stuck. So we find the direction of travel and we can look at those features and say, where might somebody get stuck? And that might be woods, that might be a fence line, that might be those kinds of things. So we send our teams out into the field with field maps. They're using them on a smartphone. So field maps allows our searchers to be able to see their tasking, so they can see the area that we've drawn to say, we want you to search this area in a certain search pattern. It also allows them to collect clues and information, and those clues and information are geolocated. And so that information can be sent real time back to the command post without any errors. So using this kind of technology allows us to really make sure we're getting accurate results from the teams in the field much more quickly than we could when it was all through radio transmission. We're also using Tracker, and we do that for a couple of reasons. We want to know where our search teams are, and that's a safety reason. If they have a find, or if they need supplies, we want to know where they are. They may even just need transportation. But also, it allows us to know where they've been. And so it essentially lays down a track on the map that tells us what areas we've already searched. The more information we have real time, the better off we're going to be and the better decisions we're going to be able to make. And all of that means we're going to be able to find our subjects more quickly.